Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In the vast landscape of online income generation, email marketing stands as a beacon of opportunity. It offers a direct connection to potential customers, harnessing the power of communication to drive sales and engagement. Imagine crafting messages that land straight in the inbox of eager recipients, each one a potential lead waiting to be converted into loyal customers. To embark on your email marketing journey, start by building a robust email list. This is your treasure trove, composed of individuals who have opted in to receive your communications. Utilize lead magnets to entice visitors. These can include free ebooks, exclusive discounts, or informative webinars. By offering something of value, you not only grow your list, but also establish trust and credibility. Once your list is established, the focus shifts to content creation. Engage your audience with captivating subject lines that compel them to open your emails. Inside the email, provide valuable information mixed with promotional content. Think of storytelling and persuasion as tools in your arsenal, weaving narratives that resonate with your audience's needs and desires. An effective email cultivates relationships and subtly nudges recipients toward making a purchase. Automation is where email marketing truly shines. Implement automated workflows to send targeted messages based on user behavior. For instance, if someone abandons their cart, an automatic follow-up email can remind them of their interests, rekindling their shopping intentions. This not only saves time but also optimizes your efforts, ensuring you reach your audience at the right moment. Moreover, analyze your campaign performance through metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. These figures offer insights into what resonates with your audience. A/B testing different elements, from subject lines to call-to-action buttons, further refines your strategy, allowing you to craft the most effective emails possible. Finally, ensure compliance with regulations like the GDPR or CAN-SPAM Act, protecting your reputation and maintaining recipient trust. A transparent approach to unsubscribe options fosters goodwill, further strengthening your brand's integrity. In summary, email marketing is a powerful tool that can help you make money online. By cultivating an engaged subscriber list and delivering meaningful content, you set the stage for a profitable online business. With creativity, strategy, and persistence, you can unlock the doors to financial success through the art of email marketing.